Dashboard on DJI Mimo app. Dashboard allows to add real-time fitness data such as speed, direction, route, total distance, and elevation to enrich the video recorded by Osmo Action cameras in a visualized format. Based on different sports scenarios, the relevant sports data will automatically be displayed in the video. You can also manually select the data stickers you need. When shooting with the Osmo Action GPS Bluetooth remote controller connected, the recorded video will include the relevant sports data. Importing sports data. The DJI Mimo app currently supports importing sports data from Apple Health, Huawei Health, Garmin China, Garmin Connect, and the file and fit format. Check if the time on your camera is consistent with that of your watch or chronograph. If not consistent, connect your watch to the internet to update its time. And connect your camera to the DJI Mimo app to update the time of the camera to make sure that the recorded sports data matches the actual shooting time. Before doing the sports, turn on your watch or chronograph in advance to record the sports data. During sports, use the camera to record the process. When you finish the sports, stop the recording on your watch or chronograph. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the mobile device, and then run the DJI Mimo app. Tap the camera icon on the home screen, and then tap Connect on corresponding Wi-Fi name. After connecting the camera to the DJI Mimo app, tap the album icon on the home page, and then select the video footage captured during sports. Tap Dashboard, select Data Import, and select the Sports Data Import to import the data from the sports app. Using Garmin devices as an example, log into your Garmin account and authorize the sharing of sports data with the DJI Mimo app. For the different sports scenarios, the recorded sports data will automatically be displayed in the video. You can also manually select the data stickers you need. If the imported sports data does not match the actual shooting time, you can select Time Alignment to adjust manually. You can adjust the time alignment at significant time points where there are noticeable changes in movement speed, such as at the start, turns, and stops. Other fit format sports data files on the mobile device can also be imported. The successfully imported sports data files will appear in the list below. The videos with visualized sports data can be directly exported, allowing you to better showcase your amazing moments of sports.